So guys, we're gonna start out literature circle discussion about text 10. Let's start with introductions. I am Miftah Huda, the discussion leader.
I am the Safira Olivia, a summarizer.
Saya Muhammad Kuis Ramdhani, as connector.
I am Nabila Thanro Aulia as World Master.
I'm Muhammad Awal, as Project Master.
So I wanna ask you all two questions. The first one is, did you find this story easy to follow and why?
In my opinion, yes. The storyline is not too complicated and the words are easy to understand.
I think the storyline is a bit difficult to understand because the words are a bit complete.
I think this story is hard to understand because the plot is a bit hard to digest.
Yes, it is easy because the story is easy to understand so that we who read in immediately understand what is in this story.
So you all found the story is easy to understand. Now to the second question. What would you do if you were the main character in this story? Let's start with Satyo.
I will go somewhere else. The Batman because he is my father. But we don't not sure what the he did. But
Especially by helping him to him up and looking for help.
If I were the main character, I would find what really happened.
If I were the main character, I would find out what really happened and fight my fears.
if I were the main character, I would investigate and confront what really happened.
Okay, let's continue with the report question from each role. Well, start with Thea as the summarizer.
The story
Let's
primarily
continue.
takes place in Margaret's house, specifically in her bedroom, the kitchen, Dad's bedroom, and the basement. And the characters is one, Margaret, the main character, a young girl who is pregnant and confused by her father's strange behavior. Two, Casey, Margaret's young brother, who is also beginning to suspect something is wrong. Three, Margaret's father, a scientist who is undergoing a disturbing transformation, showing unnatural characteristic like leaves growing from his head, green blood, and eating dirt. The summary of the text is Margaret is lying in bed, trembling with fear, as she listens to the sounds of her father in the bathroom. She is terrified of him, sensing that something is deeply wrong. She considers calling her mother, but she decides against it. As she tries to sleep, she later gets up to drink water, but is startled by her brother Casey. While in the kitchen, they hear strange mournful sounds coming from the basement, raising suspicions about their father's experiments. The next morning, Margaret decides to confront her father only to find his bed covered in damp soil crawling within insects and worms, deepening the mystery of his transformation.
Okay, next up is Toys as the connector.
Based on the facts where the main character begins to feel afraid of his father, who behaves strange. There are terrible changes in the father eating dirt, growing liquid from his head, and hearing strange sounds from the basement.
Next is Nabila as the Wordmaster.
Translating are unfamiliar words down here. One, child, kedinginan atau menggigil. Two, approaching, mendekat. Three, deposited, menaruh atau meletakkan. Four, draw, tirai ditutup. Five, trembling, gemetar. Six, terrified, sangat ketakutan. Seven, mournful, penuh kesedihan. Eight, plaintive, merintih, bernada sedih. 9. Clumps, gumpalan. 10. Suffocating, menyesak atau sulit bernapas.
Nice. It helps expand our vocabulary. And next is Awal as Passage Mister.
The passage and reason of Cushing. One opening, Margaret trembles in bed, revealed as she hears the father footsteps approaching, but why is she afraid of her own father? Two, middle, Margaret and Casey hear strange sound coming from the basement, like grooming. Casey asks is that one of the plants? Three, ending, Margaret screams as she sees her father bed covered in wet blood, bug and worm crawling between the that was happened to her father.
And the last is Tatio as Illustrator.
So the picture tells of Margaret and with the picture from the room or basement.
Finally, we've reached the end of our discussion. So the summary of our discussion today is the discussion was well performed. It began with discussion leader asking a questions about the story. All members immediately responded with good answers. Then the discussion continued to the reporting part of each role until the closing part. The discussion went smoothly without any issues.
Alright, let's work up our discussion. Thank you everyone and see you next time.